torque and horsepower. What's the real difference? Torque is the twisting force made by the engine. It's what gets your car moving from a stop. Horsepower measures how fast torque is used. It's what keeps your car accelerating at high speed. Torque moves the car. Horsepower keeps it moving faster. High torque means strong pulling power, which is why trucks and SUVs feel powerful at low speeds. Horsepower measures how quickly torque is applied. It tells us how fast an engine can do work. Torque gets the car moving. Torque horsepower keeps it moving faster. Torque peaks at low RPM, while horsepower increases as engine speed rises. Torque and horsepower work together. The best engines balance both. Thank you for watching. Follow up for my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.